In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix ARC riders, unhandled exception and access violation crashing error and how we can fix it. So let me directly get into this step. Next one is all about you have to go over here to the game first, and first and foremost step is all about we need to try with giving the launch options in the game. So go over here, right click and go to the properties. And the first and foremost step is all about you have to try with DX11 and you have to launch the game and you have to check. If DX11 is not working, try with the DX12 and you have to launch the game and you have to check. Sometimes the DX11 might work or sometimes the DX12 might work. This is what you have to do as the first and foremost step. Next one is all about we have to go over here, open your file explorer and go to the downloads. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to go over here. First of all, in your BIOS, you have to make a change that is called SMV mode. You have to disable this. If it is enabled, you have to disable the SMV mode. That is very important. So you have to do this as the first step. Next one is all about you have to do one thing, the extreme memory profile or XMP or EMP. You should disable this on your BIOS as well. Disable both SVM mode and you have to disable the XMP profile on your computer on your BIOS. Then you have to follow these instructions. That is all about. What you need to do is you have to search here for run, press enter. Now from here you have to type rigidit and go for OK. Just go for yes. And right now, as you can see, let me copy this particular path. I'll copy this. So let me minimize all these things. Okay. So once I get into the rigidit, what I have to do is the first one, I need to expand HKey local machine. Then I need to go to system. Now from here, I need to go to current control set. Now from here, I need to go to control. I have to find a folder called control. Somewhere else here it will be here. Sorry, I have to find a folder called control. From the control, I need to find, I have to expand control. From the control, I need to find a folder called graphic drivers. And here I have already created this. So I'll delete this. I'll show you how to create it once because I was checking with this video whether it's going to work or not. For me, it did work it. So what I'm trying to do is I'm just going to create a new key here. Once you get into the graphic drivers over here, right click and go to new. Create a D word 32-bit value. Now first you need to type TDR delay. You have to type TDR delay. Make sure the T is capital and the delay should have D. That is also should be capital. Once you give the value, just go over here, right click and change the value to decimal and give here the value 9D and go for OK. Now once again, right click and go for the new, create a D32-bit value. Now type capital TDR, then you have to type capital DDI, then go for delay. Now once you create this, right click and give the value 90. You should give the value 90 and you have to go to decimal and go for OK. And once these are given, you have to close this and go back to the game and you have to launch it, and most probably that's going to work for you guys. So these are the steps and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.